Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. So today we're making broccoli and cauliflower salad. Now, this is actually a recipe that I've been making for 10 years now, but it's also featured in one of the book series that I like to read by Joanne Fluke. It's called Sunshine Salad. It's a cool series. But anyway, so I wanted to kind of feature what she made, which she takes. Normally I just do the broccoli, but this one, since it's going to be broccoli and cauliflower, I went ahead and I pulled apart these broccoli pieces to make them more bite-sized. It's a little big here. Then I've got some, and I'm going to add the cauliflower. I've got some cauliflower in here. And then I'm going to add, now normally I don't add the cheese, but like I said, in that recipe, in her book, it was super fun. Add a little cheese. I like the white cheddar. And some green onions for a little extra flavor. Now, this is the fun part, is the raisins. Kind of different. A little bit adds that sweetness to it. A little salt. And then we're going to add some almonds, some slivered almonds. You can add sunflower seeds. I like both. They're both really tasty. And then what I'm going to do, oops, a little broccoli jumped out. I've got a little bit of vinegar, maybe a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm going to add like a teaspoon of sugar, maybe a little bit more. Actually, that's a quarter of a teaspoon. Not that much, since we're making it's a one-person serving. I'm just going to mix it around. Dump that in there, and then I'm going to add a little bit of mayo. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. Sometimes I mix it right in with my my vinegar and my sugar. All you do is toss this up. I like adding that vinegar and sugar in here too, because it kind of thins out the dressing. You don't want it so thick. All right. Yum, yum. So here you have it. A broccoli cauliflower salad. Maybe it's a portion and a half of goodness. All right. There you go. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. Thank you for joining me. Here is your broccoli cauliflower salad. You can learn more about me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.